In Nakuru County's Lanet area, poultry farming continues to play a vital role in supporting livelihoods and strengthening food security. But beyond housing and feed, experts say one simple practice often determines the success of broiler farming: proper water management.
So maji ni lazima ikuwe safi, clean water every day. You must rinse and wash. Ukibadilisha maji lazima wash hizi vitu.
Daisy, a poultry farmer based in Lanet, is now demonstrating how farmers can get it right. She explains that broilers rely heavily on clean and consistent water supply for optimal growth, with intake often exceeding their feed consumption. According to her, farmers must ensure that drinking water is always clean, fresh, and free from contamination.
And then you change water every day. And then unazieka kwa jua, zikuwe disinfected na jua. So you can have like a pair of 2 pairs, una exchange. Leo unazipatia na hii pair, then kisho. So we improvise that. I will show you. Easy to improvise. Because mostly it's either you have the automated system, but if you can't afford the automated system, you also need a system yenye hata kama utakuwa unaacha maji ikiwa mingi. Set kila wakati unashinda kibadilisha. This mtungi is just a normal mtungi yenye mnedanga na ya mafuta. So unaitoboa shimo. I will show you there. And then this one comes separate. So you unaendanga kwa jua kali kui. So unaona hazijamaliza maji. So imagine you rinse it out. This is easy uchafu. We had painted it black to avoid. We'll also scrape it off and we paint it again to avoid rust. And kindly note venye ninainua hii mtungi yangu. I'm looking side yenye kuna hiyo mouth, and then I flip it like that, because if I flip it the other way around, maji itamwanga kila mahali.
She also highlights the importance of correct drinker placement, maintaining the right height to minimize wastage while ensuring easy access for the birds. Regular cleaning of the equipment, she adds, is critical in preventing the spread of waterborne diseases that can quickly wipe out a flock. During hot weather, Daisy advises farmers to increase monitoring as water intake rises significantly. For many small-scale farmers, such simple but effective practices could mean the difference between profit and loss. As poultry farming continues to grow across the country, knowledge sharing at the grassroots level remains to improve productivity.
Hizi kuku zinakuwa very sensitive. Maji ni lazima ikuwe safi. Every day unabadilisha maji. So hizi nitaya nizioshe, afu nitaziacha nje zikikuwa disinfected na jua. Maji itatoka kwa mdomo, si ndio? But maji itafika hapa iache kutoka. So this is the shimo that is controlling this water from spilling over. Yeah. So let me demonstrate it. And then something you should note, when you're flipping him mtungi, you should be very fast. You should be very, very fast. Ndivyo maji isimwagike all over. So maji ita spill. Ikifika kwenye hiyo shimo imefika, iache kutoka. Yeah. So hiyo itakaa 24 hours. Yeah. This house was not meant for these broilers. But it is proof to show that broilers inaweza kuwa anywhere. So if hakuna haja useme ati uweziweka kuku because hauna space. Yeah.